Mr. Toto. Ollie, how are you today? Okay, high five. So, Mr. Toto, today we're gonna learn how to swim water safe and confident. Okay? Hey, remember the first things to do is to be relaxed.
And when you're ready, then you swim.
Okay, you have to learn how to blow your bubbles in the water 5 seconds. Show me how you do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax your arms, relax your arms. Try to fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Toto. Remember, don't hold your breath, very important. Keep blowing your bubbles slowly. Try to open your arms like a bird. 3, 4, 5. See? Relax, I'm holding you. I will go slowly down. Yeah, you can fly alone, but I will be below you, okay? Don't scared. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up. After 5 seconds of bubbles, you go up. Try to fly slowly. Don't be afraid, don't move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax, buddy. It's 5 seconds. You have a lot of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Don't touch me. Remember, you can fly.
I'm scared a little bit, but I'm not very scared.
You're scared a little bit because you believe you're gonna go down. You cannot go down. You can only fly. See? All right. Relax, bud. Relax, man.
My dad's a little bit scared.
Relax. Blow your bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You go slowly. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big bubbles slowly. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you do 5 second bubbles?
Yes.
One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, man. Take your time. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right.
I'm out breathing.
Okay. Now we start from me. Look. You can fly from me to the wall. Okay. Take your time. 5 second bubbles. And look down first, and then push and fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Excellent. You come back. Same thing. Look down, blow bubbles, and fly slowly. Push on the wall.
Don't sit down.
It's fine. Just push on the wall. I'm gonna catch you if anything happens. Don't be afraid.
When I arrive there, I'll go.
Okay, look in the water. Push. Come. Come on, Toto.
I got prefer.
All right, let's go. Push slowly. Take your time. Buddy, I don't see your bubbles, and I don't see you going very slowly. Try to relax to go more slowly and blow more bubbles. Take your time. That's better. All right. Okay. Come back very slowly, okay? Come, super slowly. You can fly if you don't move. Don't scared.
Okay,
Yes, you try. Ali, come. Slowly, slowly. Yes, there. Catch my hands. Okay, you're right. Okay, what you're gonna do now? Okay, because now you can swim without moving your hands, right? Okay. All right. So after your 5 second bubbles, when you fly in the water, looking in the water, at the end you need to take a breath. So what you're gonna use? You're gonna use your hands like a tiger, okay, to pull inside the water and breathe in the same time. And then after you do bubbles again and fly again. All right. Okay. So look. You have to move your hands after the 5 second bubbles. Yes, I will help you, so don't be afraid, okay? Bubbles first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your hands, and bubbles again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger, tiger, bubbles. Right. 2, 3, 4. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Move your hands like a tiger, and bubbles. Alright, but okay, remember, when you move your hand like a tiger, try to breathe 1 time only. Look. 1 time breathe and then blow bubbles. No, not like that, huh? Not like you're exhausted. Remember, you have to go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be afraid.
It's only the breath.
I know you are afraid, but you have to trust me. I will be always looking at you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paddle, paddle, bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles. 2, 3, 4. Paddle with your hands and bubbles. That's good. Paddle with your hands. Bubbles. Okay. You have to stop to do. This is two breaths, and that's not very good. You can do only one.
But I feel two breaths now. I feel you're sinking.
Yeah, two breaths is too long. One breath is enough. Only one. And bubbles. Bubbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One breath. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger. One breath. Bubbles. That's good. Relax, relax, bud. Relax. Slowly, slowly. Okay? You have to take your
I'm
time.
gonna be coughing.
Yes. The point number 1, okay, is to be relaxed, huh? So that's why you go slowly, huh? I will help you. Look, let me help you with your legs. Just move your hands and bubbles. Okay, I hold your legs. Don't be afraid. Right? Tiger, breathe, bubbles. There you go. You see? Toto, high five. You can do it alone, right? Okay, now look. Look, buddy. You come to me. You do your 5-second bubbles. Blow your bubbles. Kick with your legs. At the end of the bubbles, do your tiger. And then do again the bubbles. Just one time alone.
Not there, okay?
No, 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 no. Just small distance. Over there, you do your tiger. Okay, you show me. You come slowly. I know you're a bit scared, but I'm all looking at you. Come. Take your... Take... Okay, come here. Hey, let's go. Toto, come on, buddy. Toto, it's time to go. Just go slowly and don't be alright. Come here. Ali, push on the wall. Go slowly. You can do it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Calm down, buddy.
I'm going a little bit closer.
It's not about being close. It's about you want to rush, and that's the problem. You have to go slowly. It's not going fast. It's going slowly.
I'm going a little bit near.
It's not about this. You need to be able to swim by yourself at some point.
Okay.
But I will look at you. Don't worry. I come here. So 1, 2, 3. Do your tiger. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. Yes, you did alone. Calm down. Hey, you just did it alone. Alright? Look, I was looking at you. You did alone perfect. You're very good. You can do it only one time and after I catch you. So don't be afraid. I will always catch you. Take your time. Take your time. Slowly. Paddle. Calm down, buddy. Listen, listen. What you did is good. You go up by yourself, but after you scream. Don't scream. Breathe in. And bubbles. Remember the bubbles and breathing. There is no scream to do. I'm just looking at you, so stop to be so afraid. Take your time. Take your time. Let's try again. Look. 1, 2. I'm here. You have to relax. You have to relax first. Toto. You have to relax. Let's go. Let's go. I know. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. Bubbles. Good. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. Bubbles. Don't stay up. Tiger. You understand? It's very easy, okay? So we go again together. Show me. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. Bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Tiger. Bubbles. All right. Do not forget your legs up, okay, bud? You did already one time alone. It means you can do it another time. It's just in your head and you're a bit, putting a lot of pressure on you. But it's so easy and someone is looking at you, Toto, you're not alone. So try it last time and then it will be good, okay? I'm just right there. Take your time. I want you to go slowly. Come here. Come on, let's try. Slowly, come. Come here. You do your tiger here. Come on, bud. There is nothing to do, just come. Fly slowly. I know. Hey, buddy, I'm looking at you. Stop to be so afraid, okay? I'm gonna catch you if you need my help. No, but you know how to do it, and I know you know how to do it. You need to be a little bit brave, a little bit, and you try. Ali, come slowly. Grab the wall, you have to go by yourself. Ali, come. Toto, let's go. Come. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tiger, bubbles. There you go. All right, that's it. That's it. That's it. Was it difficult? All right. You have to believe in your skill a little bit, okay? If you're scared, it's just in your head. It's very easy to float. Just relax. All right?
Open your hand.
Yes, you can fly. All right? We'll practice again next time.